So you want to go from $0 to $1,000 online for your first commission check. It's 2020. You want to go ahead and start creating success, but you don't know where to start. You've been hearing about making money online and you just don't know where to start, or you don't know who to trust. Well, I've got something for you of how you can make your first $1,000 online, even if you're brand new. If you're brand new, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what you need to do and something that's going to help you today. So my name is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about it. Getting your first $1,000 online, going from 0 to 1,000 in 2020. And this is how I made my first $1,000 online. So if you haven't yet, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. It's time. Let's talk about commission and money, making your first $1,000 online in 2020. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you my screen here in a few minutes, but I want to tell you I struggled with getting my first $1,000 online because I didn't have a blueprint, or I didn't have a program, or I didn't have anybody doing videos like this that really showed me the way until I found a video like this and it showed me the way of how to do it. Before, I wasn't seeing videos like this basically saying, okay, this is how I make my first $1,000. You do this, this, and this, and continue doing it, then you have an opportunity to do that. Now, results are not typical. I do have disclaimers everywhere on this video, and right below this video I also do, but I want you to know, if you, with hard work, with guidance, and having that good attitude, you will have some type of results in your business. So don't forget, right below this video, it is my #1 recommendation of starting your online business and making that first $1,000 online. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I've been talking about, a program that I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here it is. Here is discover how to quickly and easily launch your own highly profitable online business today. Today, not tomorrow, not 2 weeks from now, today. So here's me. My name is Adam Shelton here, and this is basically my video to go ahead and show you how you can have success in here. Now, this video lasts about 20 minutes, so I definitely want you to go ahead and watch the entire video. That's basically talking about my story of how I struggle eating mustard sandwiches and how I struggle, working so many late nights and not making any money online until I found success with this system that you're seeing right in front of you. So the video lasts about 20 to 30 minutes. After that, I want you to click on that red button below. See that red button? After the video, I want you to click on the Get Instant Access to the Commission Accelerator that's going to accelerate your progress in 2020. How would you like that? How would you like that at all? So I'm going to play a little bit of the video to give you like a little sneak peek, but I do want you to click on that red button below once it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and play it just a little bit.
I'm Adam.
See if I can play it.
And I want you to stop everything you're doing and pay close attention to this entire video. Because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the most valuable cash producing secrets the internet has to offer. I'll reveal the step-by-step details for leveraging
a revolutionary new method. So I'm going to be talking about the method that's going to really help you make money in 2020. This is the video of what I did to make money online. Discover how to quickly and easily launch your own highly profitable online business today. So that's the video. It's about 20 to 30 minutes long. After that, once again, click on that Get Instant Access now. If you're watching this video right now, you want to click on the button right below this video, to go ahead and get started with the instant access. So then you'll go ahead and you put your name, address, phone number. Make sure it's accurate now, because you want to make sure your full name is on there for your first commission check, right? You don't want to put a wrong name or something like that. You want to put the correct name in there. I can't even tell you how many people will put the wrong name in there when they're trying to go ahead and sign up for a product that's going to give them that's going to help them get them success. It's going to help them, right? Going to help them get success, and they'll put a wrong name in there. And so then we're like, okay, so this is somebody else's name. or they put the wrong email address if we're trying to email them information how they can get their first commission check or any information that's going to help them grow. So make sure the name and address is correctly so important. Your address, and obviously your country and your state and zip code as well. Now the product here, I'm going to be honest with you. Product here is probably, it's about $37 it's actually worth more than that. This product is probably worth about $97 to be honest with you. But we're having it for a low price of $27 for this product here that's going to go ahead and give you the instant access of having success of making money online. And you talk to the person that actually did it. You're going to see me in this video here of this revolutionary new method of how you can discover. So you're getting the blueprint. I play a little bit of the video. The video is about 30 minutes long. So I didn't want to take too much of your time. I just want to give you a sneak preview of what you'll be getting when you be clicking on this button below. When you click on this button below, you're going to get the instant access to the Commission Accelerated package, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So very limited time, I'm offering you the chance to get the full blueprint that took me to full-time online in record time. We get the money record time. So this is really, really good. My better than money back guarantee. So if you don't like it at all, you can go ahead and ask for the refund. But I really believe you will like this at a low price of $27. $27 for a product that's probably worth about, I would think, $97, maybe $297 for this product here. You get it for a low price of $27. A blueprint of how you can go ahead and do that. So we're back to the main screen here. I'm Adam Shelton. We just released this not that long ago. You're like one of the first people that get a chance to see this. We just launched this product here. I'm excited about it. We've been working on this for months now, trying to get it right, trying to get the right, layout, get the right messaging, the right product, because it's 2020. It hasn't been long in this year yet, and we want you to have success because I know what it's like. So imagine this, more vacations, more time to spend time with your family. Think about this. More time for you can actually think and just relax. More time to go to the beach and more time to travel to your favorite city or even travel the world. Well, why not have online commissions being plugged into your account while you're traveling, while you're at home spending time with your kids, while you just out grocery shopping, you look up and you're like, man, we got another $37 commission, another $47 commission. So this is a way of making that money online while you're doing anything like that. So think about the benefits of it. The benefits of it, you're going to get the opportunity to make money online and a blueprint of how to do it, right? And today in 2020. So it's not that much time left. We just launched it out. Click on the link below this video. I'm so excited about this. $27 for something I can have the opportunity to make $1,000. I'm going to learn a blueprint strategy to learn me. I'm only paying $27. Oh, you crazy. Plus a money back guarantee. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So click on the link below this video to get started. I can't wait to see you on the inside of this. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And I can't wait to do another video. Don't forget, click on the button below. Actually, click on the link below. My #1 recommendation of making money online and having success for you in 2020. I can't wait to see you vacationing more. Hey, I can't even wait for you to have more time for yourself making that money. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside.